Hey guys, Rishi here. Another day, another dollar. Today we're up 1.3%, which is really as long as we're up, So happy about that. Astra down again 4%. It went up in pre-market. It was up 2%, and then it dropped back down. So it's just how it's doing it. In the aftermarket, after hours, it's up 2 cents. So it's not that good. Um, yeah, you can see a lot of red. So hoping for some green eventually. Luckily, we have till February 18th, 2022 to have it go to at least $15 and we'll make a decent amount of money. SPY today was pretty good. You can see this top green and this bottom green line, those are the Bollinger Bands. So what they do is they track the price movement between two standard deviations, so about like 95% of the range that it can go within the day. And then this middle one is the average that it bounces around. So I think it's the 20 day moving average. So it's a good indication. And this solid blue line, this is the 50 EMA, very very solid support. Talked about it last episode how most of the SPY just bounces off it. Um, yeah, so it was a nice little bounce. You can see it happen here too, bounce. Um, Found some sort of resistance up here, but it did close higher, so it does look promising. We'll see tomorrow for sure which direction it'll go. If it goes down, then we understand that we might be bouncing down here for a little bit until we break through this 50 EMA. So that's something to look out to. If we break this, then it could be pretty bearish in the short term at least. Now, if we look at the weekly, we can drop down all the way to around 415 and then find support there. And if we break that, then we have this whole channel where these two are sitting, so around 400. So you see how tight this channel is that it's going up? Doesn't seem that sustainable, but many people are throwing in their money into the stock market to counteract inflation. Last month, the Fed reported that there was 5.2% inflation on the U.S. dollar, just in that month alone. So holding cash is just losing 5% a month at this point. So better just put it somewhere, either in the stock market with like a high dividend, like low volatility ETF like SPHD, which is tracks the 500 SP 500, fairly solid, not much movement, like dollar wise, but you get good payouts. Their dividend is I don't know where it says it, but yeah, 30-day yield, so you get about 4%, solid. That or BlockFi. BlockFi is a good place to put it too. You can earn 7.8% on your stable coins, which is essentially just pegging the dollars. So you're just putting your dollars in there and getting 7% a year, which counteracts inflation on its own, just like that. And also pays out every month, so you compound off that monthly gain as well. So it's not just a flat 7.2%, 7.8% on what you put in. You get an additional 7.2 or 8% of whatever they give you each month, in addition to your assets that you put in. So it'll increase the payment amounts each month. And if you consistently put in more and more, then you'll see it really start to ramp up over time. Straight coin, not doing the best. It's just chilling, waiting till staking comes out. When staking comes out, the selling pressure will definitely decrease, and there won't be these bots trying to scalp and sell any price movements anymore. Market cap's only 6.3 million. So much growth available in this, so just holding. I think I'm still up a little bit in profit. Yeah, just a little bit. So maybe I'm down. I don't know, but it's about how much I put in, maybe a little bit more. So we'll see about that. I also bought this one stock, some Conformis. This stock is an up and comer. It was been heavily bought by ARK over the past 3 days, starting from Friday and then Monday and then today. It's basically a company that creates joint replacement implants that are as the name suggests that they like conform to your body and so it's body specific, not just mass manufactured. So I think it's a good company to hold on to, especially if ARK believes in it. That's mainly my main indication to look into some company if ARK loves it. I put in $100 so I can get 100 shares. You can see over the past year went up a decent amount, but all-time highs is around $10 at least in the 5 years. So we could easily 10x, but again, this is how it is. I'll take any gains. Like so far we got 10%, which is $12. That's plenty. I'm happy about that. Everything else, market's pretty green today. Getting a lot of my money back from the past few days, the red days. My Neo option went up $30, which is good. My Astra went down 15, so it is what it is. Hopefully these two will go up in that. But yeah, golden wools, $10. Get about, $9. Get about $9 a day now since the farm is going down. As more people get into the farm, there's less of the total sheeps. As these increase, the percentage share of my sheeps decrease, and there's a set amount of production that this farm gives out, and then it divvies up based on your percentage share of the total sheeps. So my percentage gets smaller and smaller as more people buy in, and so does the daily ROI, which is the same thing. So it's expected. I think I've already ROI'd, so all I'm getting now is just free money, which is good. Yeah, that's it. Please leave a like, comment, anything you want me to talk about, and subscribe. Thank you.